Good morning, friends. You are watching Blink Media IS TV, and I'm your host and Pawan Talwar. So we are here at downtown Toronto today, and it's early morning. We are having a situation here, as we all know, immigration, uh, Ontario Immigration (OINP) returns the thousands of application back to the applicants, so that moreover a couple of thousands people are affected, and they are here at 400 Avenue in the downtown Toronto to address, to protest their situation inside here. So we are taking about the situation with the affected persons one by one. Let's see what's the happening, what's the situation here. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Abhijit Singh.
So Abhijit, what is the situation here? As we know that the ONP having returning all the files. What's the situation exactly?
So the situation actually is like people are waiting for their approvals for almost like 2 years, and they were just giving us the extra time taking process, and we were eagerly waiting for the decisions. And when we start raising our voices in the parliament, they started saying, "Oh, we don't have the quotas actually." But when the new immigration plan budget came, they approved more quotas as before in the 2024. And when we said you have quotas right now, we need our approvals, then they bring a new law and saying that most of the applications may be fraud or misrepresented, and we're gonna return it. And then they return the files. But what about the time they wasted, the pressure we have right now? Like we eagerly waited for the decision for almost 2 years with patience, but right now we don't have any actual path right now because we are in limbo right now. Actually we don't have, because some people don't have work permit right now, they don't have jobs right now. The thing is, people want to work. Actually people have jobs before, people want to work, but right now government is not supporting us. They said we want skilled trade, we want to bring skilled people, and people who are already skilled here right now, they are saying we don't need you. That's the situation right now is going on, and we just want government to be fair with us, because we trusted you guys, we trusted your law, we trusted your policies, we went through everything in a law. We are not fraud, because the people who are standing right now here, those who did fraud, they never gonna come in front of the camera and gonna say their things. We came here because most of the people work here are from Rogers, Bell technicians, and those companies are high-ranking companies. How come they bring frauds, do frauds here? Actually, that's the main thing.
Okay, yes. So their demand is that for the genuine applications they should have considered fairly. So what do you want from the government?
We want a fair decision. Actually they returned our file, because whenever you say we have find the misrepresentation or fraud, you have to give a whole statement actually where you find the fraud. They said we didn't find the fraud, but we think there is some misrepresentation in the file, so we're gonna return it. But it's not our duty actually, it's your officer's duty. Some of them, when they went for the FOIs, they see the files are already approved. They just need a signature from the auditor, and those files are, if approved, it means the officer work on those files and they know their duty. If they don't know their duty, then what's the point then?
Thank you.
You're welcome.